our way out to a legal area. Okay. There's certain restrictions for general aerobatic practice, if you will. So we have to be so high above the ground. So we'll be up pretty high. And we have to be away from populated areas and airways and that sort of thing. Yeah, that makes sense. It usually gets a lot cooler quicker. It's pretty hot out here in Texas. Woke up in a couple more thousand feet. So you live off the right wing here somewhere? Is that where you live? Or what's that? Live off to the right side here? Yeah, I live, that should be right out there by that stadium. Okay. Up to right there. Nice. Nice town to live in? Yeah, it's really not bad at all. I've been here for 11 years and I've enjoyed most of it. I'm just going to dial the prop back. A little noise down for the neighbors here. Try not to bug people too much. Try to avoid them. They can do a lot of damage to an airplane. You know, it'll keep flying, but put a big chunk in the wing. Alright, so if your seatbelt feels like it needs another click, go ahead and try to put another click in there. Okay. Nice and tight. So that's pretty good. Alright, we're just going to go a little bit further up here. We're coming through about 4,500 feet. And we're just going to start off with a big old vanilla loop. Alright, real easy. So anytime we start our pulls, you're going to look out the front. And as we go up, I'm going to say look left, because you're not going to see anything but blue sky. But anytime you have that, just look at the left wing at the horizon. Okay, so that's what I'm doing, just keep track. Alright. Hey, we're all good to go here. We got plenty of altitude, airspeed's good, everything is in the green. We're just going to dive for a little bit of speed here. Okay. Looking straight ahead. We're just going to pull a couple G's, won't be much at all. And here we go, we're going up. I can look left. Look at the wing, you see the wing on the horizon there? Yeah, that's what I'm watching to keep track of us coming over the top here. Okay. And as we get over the top now, look straight over your head. The horizon coming back around, I'm going to pull the power back so it can sit nice for us. Now coming straight over the top. A little speed, a little bit G's as we come back around the bottom side here. Pretty cool, huh? Nice. Oh, yeah, I felt that. Yeah, that's about 2.5, 3 G's there. What do you think? That's very cool. Nice. You guys do that a lot quicker in the shows, I assume. Yeah, in the show it's a little different. Actually, in competition flying, that's about it, though. Yeah. You know, we pull a little tighter, a little harder G's, but same idea, it has to be a round loop in competition, whereas in the show, they don't fly round loops. Oh, okay. It's a different kind of thing. All right, we're going to do a hammerhead now. All right. Same idea on the pull-up, so we're going to go straight up. It's going to be really neat. We're just going to pivot at the top, okay? Okay. All right. A big smile on the camera like you're having a good time. Hard not to. Alright, 230 miles an hour, looking straight ahead. We're coming up. Look left. There you go. What do you think? Wow, pretty cool, huh? So we're going straight up now. Oh, wow. And see, I'm just watching the sighting device at my end, watching the airspeed. And we get right near zero. Keep looking right.
Aviation, Midland, Texas, 81.
Oh, wow, that is amazing. Is that cool? I'd do a little turn here on the way down.
Okay. That's 811, Bravo. We're a Lear.
Easy pull here.
Low 10 minutes.
That's really cool. I didn't know airplanes could do that, really.
About 7:30 or 8 o'clock this evening.
Pretty neat stuff, huh? It is. How you doing? Good. Great. You want to give a shout out to your radio station there on the camera, look into the camera and give them a big holler? Yeah, yeah. Lone Star 102.3, baby. Nice. Alright, would you like to see how fast it can roll? Yeah, let's do it. Alright, just kind of brace your neck a little bit, just don't be too loosey-goosey with it. Alright. I'll start it in smooth and bring it out smooth for you though, okay? Yeah, we're going to roll about 3 times in about a second and a half. Alright.
The King Air Natural.
Pretty fun though.
Runway.
Okay, we're just going to pitch up just a little bit, look straight ahead.
What?
And here we go. And around. Wow. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, it is. That's actually really smooth. It's hard to keep track of where you're at how many times, so that's why I do 3. It gives me a chance to catch up to the airplane. Alright, we got time for one more something. Okay. And we can either do the hammerhead or the loop again, or we can do a kind of a competition maneuver, which is a loop, but we start up on a 45-degree line. pitch up 45 degrees, do a couple point rolls, and then we'll loop around the backside. Yeah, let's do that. Alright, I'll put the smoke on, and we'll be able to see our smoke trails as we come back around, okay? Alright. So we got plenty of altitude, airspeed's coming up, getting a little bumpy out here with all the heat, you know? Yeah. Alright, so as we pitch up now, I'm looking left to get a 45-degree angle on the horizon. I set the line, go off to the right, then back around to the left upside down. Now upside down. And now as the airspeed leads off, we'll start coming around the backside. Nice. A little bit of G here. Feel the G's coming on? Yeah, I do. Alright. There's about 3.5 G's right there. Oh, yeah. Nice, huh? Very good. Pretty cool. Ready to head back? Yeah, that was great. Alright.